This presentation was created for the American Planning Association's 2007 National Conference. Green Map System engages communities worldwide to chart a sustainable future. Since 1995, this New York-based global eco-cultural organization has supported local leadership by working together for our common future. A green map is a locally created map that uses green map icons to chart local green living, nature, cultural, and social resources. As of early 2007, the Green Map movement had spread to 400 communities in 50 countries. Green map makers include people from all walks of life: planners, community groups, city employees, artists, and caring individuals on every continent. Millions of copies of 335 uniquely designed published green maps are in use. Hundreds more have been created in workshops and classrooms. Green maps help users connect with community in new ways and take action every day for a healthier and greener community. You can get involved with local nature and social resources instead of traveling far from home to get involved. And you can also find out about successful models that can be replicated in new places. Green maps help persuade decision makers to act for the common good and give everybody a new perspective and perhaps a new career. In every case, green maps start with research. The mapmakers get together, learn from experts in the field, and really dig deep to suss out what is sustainable in their community. They learn about designing the map. Communication and composition are great skills to have, and green maps help people organize their thoughts in a way that expresses a new worldview to the users. Production and distribution, reaching the community, is also an important part of this program. So mapmakers create many kinds of public events to help share their maps, as well as providing them in green markets, libraries, all sorts of places where people will want to pick up a map and take it home and use it. The maps are very unique and reflect the place they're from. Here are just a few. Here's a couple from Africa, from Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe, where it was created as part of a master plan for the city, and Tororo, Uganda, where the program was about getting children involved in the local environment. In Tokyo, the cycling green map has won several awards and resulted in bike lane network being made permanent on the street in many places. In Singapore, it's about native plants and animals and what we can do to help nurture more species, indigenous species in our communities. In Rhône-Alpes, France, there's a lively online interactive green map, and in Liverpool, UK, the local rail map is included, so you can explore the green sites by using the train system. We provide several kinds of adaptable tools for green map makers. Most important are the globally designed green map icons. They're provided as a font or as stickers for easy use. We also provide various kinds of map making guides for experienced or newbie green map makers. Our multimedia resources include websites, workshop resources, exhibits. We also support the development and capacity building of regional and national green map hubs. And our archives are a great way to help green map makers learn from one another. So reports, presentations, and other kinds of stories and exchanges are included therein. The green map icons are at the heart of green map making, and everybody uses them on their maps. The full set has over 150 symbols, and even if they're tweaked locally and translated, they still very much have the same meaning around the world. In early 2008, watch for the new edition, version 3 of the Green Map Icons. This is a living lexicon, and we keep it updated to reflect our understanding of sustainability in the community context. When we started our youth program in 1998, We knew it was helping children become better citizens, but we didn't know that it actually helps students do better across the board in their academic subjects. The environment is very important for children to understand and be part of. There's lots of reasons why children get involved, whether it's learning about community service possibilities, helping tourism become stronger in their community, to learn about other cultures, to participate in big events, and to create their own record of change over time. These are just a few of the things that children as well as older community members get out of the process. Youth-authored green maps are quite different from other kinds of community and professional green map making. And so we decided to work with local students and educator groups to help us create a suite of tools that teachers and youth themselves can adapt as they create their own inspiring green maps. We work with university students as well as students actually as young as 3rd grade and youth organizations across the city. Children helped us create a map we call Low Map, the youth view of Lower Manhattan. They drew, described, and nominated sites for this map. In Elizabeth, New Jersey, the map was all about environmental justice, and young people got involved in understanding the problems that the community faces and developed solutions and put them on the map. In Zurich, Switzerland, the children are not local kids at the international school, so the map was all about helping them understand the campus and surrounding community. In Pereira, Colombia, printed and portable green maps were created. So if you look on the lower left, you can see the mural that the young people bring out of the school and into community meetings to talk about the environment of the community that everybody shares together. When you make a green map, it can change your relationship forever with the place that you're in. At greenmap.org/youth, you can find several theme maps that young people have made, as well as their videos, research projects, performances, etc. In 2007, we relaunched greenmap.org as a content-managed site with many exciting new features. You can read about each project in the mapmaker's own words by clicking Maps. And another thing you can do is click on the upper left for the interface in Spanish, Chinese, or Japanese. You can also register a new Green Map project online and quickly download all our mapmaking tools, design guides, slideshows, graphics, and you can also share back the tools that you have created with the entire Green Map network. Coming soon are online mapmaking tools. Together we have created several books with Green Map makers, and you can find these guides to community organizing and getting people involved in a new way in their community at our store, greenmap.org/store. You can also see t-shirts and other products you can buy there. Green Map System has been honored several times by award-giving organizations as well as magazines that have made us the cover story, from the United Nations Global Press Best Practices Awards in 1998 to 2007's EPA Environmental Quality Award. We're proud of these achievements. So come and see us at greenmap.org, explore the maps, and join us in thinking globally and mapping locally.